Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi 11, and today I'll show you a couple of the tricks that you can make with the camera on the smartphone. So at the first we have to open our camera, and we are going to start from the settings because there you can find very interesting options. So we have to tap on the right upper corner and then go for the settings. As you can see, at the first we got the watermark. So when you are making a lot of photos and you are posted on the Instagram, Facebook, or any other blogs like internet or something like that, and you don't want that someone maybe can steal your photos, you can go for the watermark. Then you can add the timestamp on the photos and the device watermark, and also you can customize. So for example, let's type here maybe like hard reset photo or hard reset content. Tap save and just take a look. When you take a photo, take a look on the left bottom corner. Here we got that that this photo was shot on a Mi 11, and it's from the hard reset content. Of course, you can input here your name or the website that you are using, that you are owner of the website on Instagram. Here we got also the timestamp. So there's very cool and useful feature. When you go back to the settings, you can also find the correction distortion in ultra wide shots. So it's very useful to get it to set up as automatically. The same is below for the correct phase distortion on the grab photos. And here we got also the description of the two functions, but just turn it on every time that you have the smartphone because it's very, very useful. When you go back, you can also find the picture quality. So if you want to get better quality of your photos, you can go for the highest option. And here we got also the volume buttons function. So currently it's set up as a shutter countdown, but for me the best option is to get it for the zoom. So just take a look. When you go back to the photo mode and we tap this volume down button, it will zoom out, and when we go for the volume up button, it will zoom in. As you can see, we are able to go almost for 30x. Of course, there's not a good example of this feature because I have the monitor in front of me, but just take a look when I go right here. As you can see, I'm only pressing the volume button. And we can zoom. We don't need to make gesture like that. We can only use the buttons. So it's very cool. It will be more steady when we are holding our phone in the hands. Let's go back for the settings because here we can find also other very cool things. Here we got the press and the hold shutter button. We can record video or get the bars shot. It's very cool. Just take a look. What is going to happen? I will grab the photo camera like that and just click and hold this the shutter button. Keep holding, move it like that. As you can see, in less than 3 seconds the smartphone take like 30 photos. So when you go here, tap on it and go here, you can see every photo that was taken. When you move it like that, it looks like a video, short video. You can pick up the photos. So it's very good when you are taking photo when someone making sports, like it's basketball, football or something like that. So you can pick one of the photo, and after that you can just simply save it by tapping here. You can keep selected 3 photos. We can also keep all the photos. As you can see, right now it appears on our gallery. And when you go back for the settings for the last time, here we can also customize the shutter sound. We get shutter sound when you take a photo. When you go for the customize, here we can change it. So let's enable the media volume. So as you can see, let's pick this one, and when you go back and take a photo, that's how our shutter sound sounds like right now. And what is also interesting, what is very cool, when you go for the Pro mode on the smartphone, you see a lot of options like white balance, focus, shutter sound, shutter speed, ISO, lens. And if you don't know what is going on here, you have to tap right here on the left upper corner, and here we got the description of every option. So when you read it, for a few times, you will be able to take better photos with your promote. And the last option, when you go for more, as you can see, it's very cool when you got the dual video. So as you can see, here I am in front of the camera, and we can record the front and the rear camera at the same time. So when you tap here, as you can see, the photo is recorded right here and right here at the same time. So when I tap to stop it and then to show you how it looks, okay, we have to close it and just take a look. As you can see, the photo is recorded right here and right here at the same time. So it's very useful, for example, for people who use YouTube channels and you make a lot of vlogs or something like that for your community. And that's it. That's the top tricks that you can find on the Mi 11. For me, they are the best options that you can find here. Of course, you can get here the other things like slow motion, time lapse, but almost everybody know about that things. Maybe it's also very interesting to use the Supermoon, but I'm in the studio, so I cannot use it. But when you are outside and you focus on the moon, you'll get better quality of the moon photo. So that's everything. And if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.